guys, welcome back or to my channel if you're new. And today I'm going to try and alter a tank top that I have. Here is the before look of the tank top. Well, you've seen the before looks and I wanted the tank top to be more cropped and it's a bit tight on the arms as well, so I want to cut it. Let's just get altering. Right here I layered my old crop top on top of the tank top. Okay, that's too much tops. Anyways, I think I'm going to cut like the arm area following the lines of the actual crop top that I had so that it won't look weird after I cut it. And for the bottom part, I want it to be lower than my old one. So I've kind of made a line there. I hope you can see it in the camera, but yeah, it's there. And that is where I'm going to cut it. I decided to cut the arm area right in the stitches so that this will be gone. And this one as well. So I'm just gonna cut that out and then get back to you. Do not throw away this piece because you're gonna need it later on for something else. So I've tried and cut out the right side of the arm, and here's a tip for you. When cutting it, snip it once and then it's gonna make like a slight hole, and then just cut it all the way around, but only one piece of the cloth. Do not stack it and cut it at once because the front part and the back part doesn't really have the same kind of curves. So it's gonna turn out bad if you do it at once. So this is how it looks after I cut both sides. And the bottom parts might seem weird and it's folded upwards, but it won't look like that when you use it. So I'm gonna try this and then show it to you. So you can see that it looks way better and it's definitely more comfortable because the arms doesn't feel so tight, and this one's also really loose. I feel way more free in this to move around and stuff. So yeah, I think that's really good. And here is the before and after comparison. Hey guys, so if you're wondering why I'm in a different outfit, it's because I filmed this video in 2 days and this is the second day, so I've changed. And here is the leftover of the tank top that I altered yesterday. As I told you before, do not throw away any cut out piece of your clothes. And this is why we're going to make this as a headband. So stretch it out because it's not long enough for headbands. And then tie up your hair into a ponytail. And then twist this twice. 1, 2, and then bring it to itself. And just slide it inside your head and slide back up. And you've got yourself a headband. Just kind of take small pieces out so that your hair doesn't look so neat. It's better when it's messy. So yeah, that's how it looks. And it really depends on how you want it to be, how thin, how thick. You can just cut it out and make it really thin. This is an example for thinner ones. So just do the same thing, twist it twice, and then bring it to itself. And then slide it in like this, and bring it back up. I forgot where I got this from. I know it's from my mom's clothes that I cut, but I forgot which one, so I can't show you that. And for thinner ones, it's better if you put your hair down. And I have one more headband like style from another unused piece of clothes. So I'm gonna show you that. So here it is. This is how it looks. And if you watch my previous video, which is the one that's altering my shorts that I bought online, this is the cutout piece. And then I just snip this piece off, and then this is what I got. For this one, I'm gonna leave like a few strands of hair in front and then tie the rest. It doesn't have to be neat because you're gonna take it out anyways. So take this and then just tie it on top of your head. Normally, tie it like that. And you might be wondering, like, I don't want to walk out like this. I look so weird and stuff. I know, and that is why I come up with this idea to kind of twist it to itself and hide the piece that are sticking out. Do the same thing here. It's hard doing it without a mirror. I think that's it, and then I'm just gonna do that. So that is how it looks, and I'm pretty happy even though it's not looking like the best headband you could ever see, but from an unused piece of clothing, you can turn it into headbands. That is pretty amazing to me. And just remember that before getting rid of your clothes, just think, like, could I do something with it? Could I alter it into something that I can use? Rather than throwing it away and waste all your money that you used to buy it. Well, that is it for this video. I hope it inspires you to try out some new things, experiment with your clothing, and not throw away anything before you try and fix it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notifications so that you're notified every time I post my videos. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys next Friday.